I received this 16-piece set of roll-up and vacuum storage bags from Greenco, and look how nice they are. You're going to be receiving 4 of these, which are extra small roll-up bags, and these are perfect for traveling, and they measure 11.5 inches by 18 inches. You're also going to be receiving 4 of these small bags, which measure 16 inches by 23 inches. You're also going to be receiving these 3 small size bags, which have vacuum seal as well as still the double zipper, and these measure 15.5 inches by 23.5 inches. You're also going to be receiving 3 of these medium-sized bags, and they also are for the vacuum storage, and these measure 19 inches by 27.5 inches. You're also going to be receiving this extra large bag, and look how large it is, and this measures 31 inches by 39 inches. And this is perfect storage for your extra blankets and pillows and comforters too. And you're also going to be receiving this big jumbo size one. And this measures a whopping 51 inches by 29 inches. And this is also great for bedding. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. The first one we're going to do is the jumbo size one. And look at these fluffy queen size pillows. And they're very fluffy, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it inside, and then we're going to vacuum, and you're going to see how much it compresses. Once you have them inside, then you're going to use this clip and push it down while you are zippering it across. These are also removable, so you can reuse them time and time again for your other ones as well. You get several of these. And now you twist this open, and this is the valve. And now we're going to plug in our vacuum. And now look how thin this is. Pretty amazing, right? Now this can easily slip into your linen closet or even under the bed too, or in a closet. And now let me show you how the other bags work. And now we're going to use the extra large one and put these 2 fluffy comforters inside it. Now that we have the 2 comforters inside, we're going to remove this valve and start vacuuming again. Once you see it not going down any further, then you know it's done, and you can turn off your vacuum. And as you can see, it's not blowing up. This valve keeps it closed until you're ready to turn this valve cover on. Simple as that. Pretty neat, right? Definitely love this. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the extra small roll-up bag. All you have to do is open this up, and then put your clothing inside it. Now, the way I like to do it is once I have it in, I like to already close it almost all the way up. So about 3/4. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. And now what we're going to do is start rolling this in. And then you hear the air escaping. And then once you have it nice, you close that last 1/4 piece up. And then now it is compressed. And it really starts saving space in your luggage. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the small roll-up size bag. I'm going to open it up and put your items inside. And if it doesn't fit all the way easily, you can fold it up like this and then open it up inside the bag just like that. And now we're going to close it 3/4 way. Okay, and now we're going to compress it by rolling it again. And then you zip it back up. And now it becomes compressed Perfect for your luggage or your backpack too. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to put a throw pillow and a throw blanket inside the small one. And as I mentioned, if it's hard to put inside, just fold it in half, just like this. And once you have it closed, just get the zipper again and run it along the line. And I like to do it 2 times, sometimes even 3, just to make sure it's secure. And all I do is squeeze it and run it across. Perfect. Now let's undo the valve and start vacuuming again. Simple as that. And now we're going to use the medium-sized bag to put away some hoodies as well as shirts too. Now that we have it put inside, we're going to open up the valve and repeat the step again. Isn't this so awesome? And then all you have to do is close up the valve. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Isn't this a fantastic set? I absolutely love, love, love it, and I know you will too. This is perfect for spring cleaning as well as winter cleaning too. Perfect for when you want to bring out your heavy bedding or your lighter bedding. And this is great to put in a linen closet, a regular closet, under your bed, even in the garage or storage closet too. This is just great to use all year round and great gift to give to somebody as well. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.